Yo, what's up, y'all? C-Set Tech, and I didn't think I'd be picking this up, but look what I got here. I got the DeX Pad by Samsung, and we got the Note 8 here and the S8, so we gotta check it out. Alright, so we got the box here. This is the new Samsung DeX, the DeX Pad that just came out this year with the the Note 9, I think. Pretty sure. But we got DeX Pad here in the front, Samsung logo with the DeX right here in a little line. Actually, you know what? Let me get another box real quick. I seen on Samsung's design website or something like that, like they have boxes that line up with this. Okay, it's not the Gear Icon Next box, so I don't really know which box it is. So we got DeX Pad with HDMI cable, which is really interesting. I did not expect that at all. I thought I had to use my own HDMI cable, but Samsung just gives you one. On the left side, we don't really got nothing here. On the right side, we have some information here we could check out. So we got HDMI, UHD, 4K, HDMI cable included, so that's really nice right there. Two USB 2.0 ports, which kind of sucks. I mean, it could have been 3.0, but it is what it is. And you can use the phone as a touchpad, but I'll be using the mouse because I don't really see how that would really be helpful that much. And then we got some information here on the back so we can see what's in the box. So we got a built-in fan to keep the phone cool, which is pretty nice. Got the USB-A 2.0, two of them. We got USB Type-C charging and an HDMI output. And it comes with a fast charge wall charger and the USB Type-C cable. So that's really nice. So they gave us a whole charger with the little brick, and they gave us a HDMI cable. So really nice, Samsung. I appreciate that. On the bottom, we don't really got anything here, and on the top, we just got this handle here, just like the Gear Icon Next box. Look at this. I'm liking the way Samsung's designed the new boxes here, so really nice. All right, so let's go and crack into this box real quick. Let's go and get the unboxing knife here because we got some tape on the sides. So let's get into this. Oh my God. There we go. Tape number 2, got it. Tape number 3 and tape number 4. There we go. So let's go and crack into this real quick. Alright, so opening up the box, and there we go. That's the DeX Pad here. So let's go and take this out real quick. Man, this thing is really portable. Look at this. Like, this thing really slim. Like it. I'm liking that. So we got this like plastic build here, and then we got some instructions here. So just go ahead and put this inside, I guess. Let's get into the box more. We got our Quickstart guide that obviously we all know. We're not going to read this. Wait, hold on a second. Did I see something else in here? I think I saw a semi-ejector tool in here, but I could be going crazy too. So I'm going to throw it to the side for now. All right, so let's just get into this more. And then there we go. So we got our HDMI cable here. So if we look at this real quick, no Samsung branding, which is kind of surprising. It says HDMI on there, and then on the back we don't got anything, I don't think. No, we don't. Got the HDMI cable, that's pretty cool. We got our fast wireless charger here in black, and then we got our black USB Type-C cable here. So that's really nice, Samsung. I appreciate that. Meanwhile, Apple can't even include a fast charger with their $1,000 iPhone Nexus and all that. Come on now. But that was pretty much it. So I was only doing an unboxing today. So pretty interesting here. That's the Samsung DeX right here, the DeX Pad. So let's go and just take this off real quick. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave that on for now. But that's where the fan is. I'm pretty sure that's where you go ahead and plug in your phone. And on the back, I mean, you don't really do anything there. You just put it on the table. And on the back, we got the two USB 2.0 ports. We got the HDMI port, and we got the USB Type-C port, so we can keep the phone charged. So yeah, y'all, that was pretty much it. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you on the next one, man. Peace out.